Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we're making 农家小炒肉, also known as countryside-style stir-fried pork. This is one of the most beloved home-cooked dishes across China. Despite the simple ingredients, the flavor is spicy, savory, smoky, and every bite is packed with wok effect. You're gonna love it. We're gonna start by prepping the green chilies. They are crunchy and mild. If you can't find them, banana peppers, New Mexico chilies, and long hot peppers make great substitutes. If you can't handle spicy food, use bell pepper. Smacking the peppers is a popular technique in China. It creates bruises and allows the flavors to distribute well. Crush 10 cloves of garlic and peel, then give them a few rough dice. Set them aside. I also like to incorporate a bit of white wood ear mushrooms into my stir-fry. Soak them in clean water for about 20 minutes or until rehydrated. Wood ear mushrooms are totally optional, but they do add a nice contrasting texture to the stir-fry. For those of you who are wondering, what is the difference between white and black wood ear mushrooms? To be honest, aside from the color, there's no major difference. Both of them have a similar taste, texture, and are interchangeable in recipes. If you can't find either, feel free to use some thinly sliced shiitake mushrooms. Next, slice 7 ounces of pork shoulder meat thinly. I know it doesn't look like much, but this is exactly how it should be. Chinese stir-fry dishes are built around balance. Instead of piling the plate with meat, we focus on creating harmony between the proteins and the vegetables, allowing both of them to shine in their own way. That's why Chinese stir-fries are never too heavy, but always so crave-worthy and comforting. Marinate the pork with half tablespoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, a quarter teaspoon of finely ground white pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. Mix thoroughly. Drizzle in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and mix to coat the pork. This helps to separate the meat slices and prevent them from sticking to each other while cooking. Set it aside. I have got here 4 ounces of pork belly. Slice it thinly. We're gonna render some fat and use it as the cooking oil to give the dish that nostalgic home-cooked flavors. Turn the heat to high and preheat the wok until smoking hot. Drizzle in a little bit of cooking oil to lubricate the wok. Then toss in the pork belly. Switch the heat to medium-low and stir for a few minutes or until there are a few tablespoons of oil appeared. You will also end up with golden, crispy pork cracklings, or what we call 猪油渣, which is a delicious bonus. Remove them to the side, but leave the oil behind. Turn the heat to high and add the marinated pork. Stir for a few minutes or until the meat changes color. Remove the meat from the wok, but leave the oil behind. To the same wok, add the garlic, green chilies, and white wood ear mushrooms. Chinese chefs like to toss the wok over blazing heat and intentionally create dramatic flames. It's not just for show. It's a core technique to achieve wok effect, known as the breath of the wok. Although my burner is not as strong as the commercial ones, I managed to get a bit of flame, which helps to sear the ingredients directly, giving the dish a light, smoky aroma and toasty flavor, and locking in juices while keeping everything crispy tender. Raising a flame may seem dangerous, but it's actually quite safe. All you need is confidence and a handy wok. Many of you know that I have been using the same big carbon steel wok for over 6 years, and I was never able to toss it properly due to my arthritis condition. But recently I started using this smaller 10-inch version, and I absolutely fell in love with it because it's lightweight, so I can finally toss it with one hand. Don't let the size fool you. It's perfect for cooking 2 to 3 servings of food. If you're looking for a handy, versatile wok that makes stir-fry a breeze, check the link in the description and grab one for your kitchen. Pork and pepper stir-fry is so classic all over China. The meat and peppers enhance each other in a perfect way. Every bite is flavorful, satisfying, and savory. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!